Hi Akshay, good morning.
Hi, sir. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yes, so this is your first mock interview. We are,
Uh,
as Downtown Coders, inviting you for your first mock interview. So,
Thank you, sir.
Akshay, so how are you?
Sir, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Okay, let's start. Okay, Akshay, can you just tell me about yourself?
Sir, first of all, thanks for this opportunity to tell me about myself. I am Akshay Ranaji Titarmare from Nagpur. I was I had completed my graduation from Nagpur University with the computer engineering branch in 2014. My strength is I'm a punctual and well disciplined. My hobby is uh, eager to learn new things uh, like such web applications and website development and singing is a basic my hobbies. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me why you got interest in web development as there are a lot of means technologies like backend, AI, machine learning. So why you choose to do front end?
Sir, actually, my basically interest in is in design, like website designing.
Okay,
So I choose a front end developer. That's why I'm here.
okay,
Yes,
okay, fair enough. Okay. So can you just tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses?
sir. My strength is I am well disciplined and well mannered and punctual too. And weakness is my mother. She was passed away just because of
Okay,
corona, and she
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay.
So,
Let's okay,
and I'm
okay,
too emotional. It was my
okay,
weakness. That's
okay,
all.
okay, okay. So uh so if we give you a chance, so where did you see yourself in next 2 years?
Sir, maybe I am in a good position, like maybe team leader or team manager. If I'm
Okay,
working now with your company,
okay,
yeah,
okay. So um and if you become a team lead, okay,
yeah,
so
yes, sir.
what qualities you will look for in your team if you are
Uh,
choosing your team members?
yes, sir. Sir, actually, first of all, just I like I say that I am punctual, so I am um I'm looking for these all peoples are well mannered and well punctual uh, and well disciplined too. Like they follow the orders within a like just like I'm just giving them tasks and they are completing in a within a time period. So that's some qualities. And actually I'm being with them like a friendly in nature. So they are like uh, they are like so much friendly with me. So that's why we are not differencing between us. So
Okay,
that's all with these qualities. If I need something, then I'll get improve with them and me also.
okay. And if means tell me the uh, qualities only. So friendly nature, punctual, and
Yeah, sir,
which
punctual,
qualities?
well disciplined,
Okay,
and and honest with me. So,
okay,
if you honest with your boss, then actually you have grabbed you grab that position with certain things like uh, just just I think I am working with you right now, and after 2 years I'm getting that position. So they are honest with me, and just I am just giving them tasks, and then they are completing in a time of period. So uh, they are not gumoing me, like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you are saying means uh, well disciplined
Yeah,
means
sir.
you are also well disciplined. So tell
Yes, sir.
me means any means any work or something that defines your discipline
Sir, like just
in
I'm
past your past you means how did you follow the disciplines?
yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me just one example?
Yes, sir. Sir, in a past, just I completed my graduation. After that, I'm doing the preparation of competitive exams. So that time, uh, I'm I'm reached my library for my preparation in 6 a.m. sharp, and I'm so disciplined about my study. So that's why I'm looking for that my study will with like I'm just using my 8 to 12 hours with my full confidence and my dedication. So that was my discipline, and I like to use manner too.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'm just uh, 1 year experience with sales team also. Like I'm in a finance field, HDFC Sales Private Limited. So there is also I'm a team member, but uh, uh, if my team leader give me some task, so I just complete it within a time of period, or uh, maybe it completed limit of time. That means if give me 28 days, I am completed with 25 or 24 days, and target will be completed within that that time. So it was my disciplinary moment, and it was my I'm so much honest and with manner and with discipline with my company and my profession too.
Okay.
So that was my past experience, sir.
Okay. So can you just tell me about yourself rather than you told before me means or in you described in your resume that I will know your personality.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I just told you before that I'm completing my graduation. After that, I'm doing preparation for MPSC. Some time of period, I just know that this is not my cup of tea. So I'm used to search a job uh, in my field, in in the software or any hardware field. But that time I just failed. Uh, I don't haven't any I don't found any job for me. So I'm just used to choose in a sales field in a finance, and I'm working with very honesty that. But still I'm thinking that uh, my choice is in a software field, just because I'm doing a polytechnic and engineering, that 6 years that I was so focused about my goal, that uh, that is my goal is in I'm like a software engineer, and if maybe it's website developer or front end developer, I'm just looking for me in this position. But somehow I'm going to towards another direction. So just I'm focused on myself. I'm motivated me, and I'm just choose this field with no any further discussion or any complication with me, and just choose it. And now I'm used to grab this opportunity, and I'm so focused with this right now.
Okay. So, Akshay, if
Yes, sir.
uh, means if you have a problem with your colleague or your boss, okay,
Yes, sir.
team manager,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
and you both are not talking, okay. So how will you handle that situation?
Sir, actually, it's a relation between boss and manager, and I want to be if uh, if somehow any major issues are there, so I want to be use my some skills like I'm just apologetic with him that if I am got wrong, if either I'm not wrong.
No, means yeah, means you are so much angry, but you don't want to apologize him. So how will you means handle it? And
Yeah.
it is affecting your work, okay? Both.
Yeah, it's exactly, it's affecting my work. If I'm got angry with my manager or team leader, it is affecting with me. But actually, if I am angry, but rather certain time of period, I'm cool down and I'm going to my boss and I'm apologetic with him that
But he is not accepting your apologies.
son, I'm prove with my work also that if he's angry with my work na, that he's not angry with my personal issues or
No,
something
no,
else. He's angry with my work.
no, no,
So
no,
if
no. He is
yeah,
angry. You both are angry with your personal issues.
if my personal issues is come there, the sir, I'm definitely tell him that my personal issues
You
and my
both,
office work.
you both have, you both have a problem with each other.
Uh, then sir, I'm some another ways to get fight found it out.
Okay.
Like I'm used to help some another colleague or another team leader or my anger my hierarchy like my boss if manager's boss I'm you I'm getting that his help and I used to sort out these problems and issues between us.
Okay. Okay. So we'll move to next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do you means proceed if any problem comes? Means you did engineering. So
Yes, sir.
how did you proceed for a problem solving?
Sir, I can't get you.
Means if there is a problem,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
how did you means start or how did you look for that problem?
Sir, if I'm get a problem, so I
In
just
your career or in your means engineering or till now your studies, tell me one problem and how did you handle that?
sir, actually in the past I had many issues and problems in my life, but still there is a certain things that have to ignore some issues or problems and I have to move forward. But if I want to solve it, then I'm using my father help or some suggestions like my elder ones and
No, no.
used to
You
found it out.
means in
But
your studies or in your means in your career, you said you worked for 1 year as a salesman.
yes, sir.
So, or else if any problem comes in your future, if you are a, software engineer, software developer, front end developer,
Yes, sir.
you got problem in your coding or in your company, okay, in your organization. So what is your approach to solve that problem?
Sir, first of all, I'm just looking for exactly what is the exactly problems, and I'm used to solve this my with my skills that I had learned, and using my notes or something like using some basic knowledge with it. and it will be if it will be solving by it wasn't solving by this, so I'm used to get help my elder ones or my team leader, or use my skills too.
So this is my last question for our personal interview.
Yes, sir.
So just tell me, what is your biggest achievement till now?
My biggest achievement, actually, sir, in a sales field, I just uh, when I just left the job that month, I got a salary of 1 lakh rupees with my incentives. So that was my biggest achievement up to my any past career.
Okay,
Yeah, that
that
was my
is
biggest
good.
achievement. But
Okay,
there is not a life uh, you're not used to office for sitting. You have to survive in a field. So basically my goal is I'm used to sit in office in front of computer and doing coding. That was my goal. And so there is a
okay.
no, I'm looking
Yes,
for a great future, so I'm
okay, I
coming.
got it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Thank you.
So we'll start with the technical round.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is HTML?
Sir, HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's a standard language to design or create a web page.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is attribute?
Sir, attribute, it gives meta information to the of HTML element to the browser.
Okay.
Examples
And
like relation, style. These are attribute we are using.
what?
Uh, we are using SRC, source, uh, alternate, target, and
Yes.
many more.
Yes. What is the difference between HTML element and HTML tag?
So HTML element is a if I'm if like first of all I'm talking about tag. HTML elements like H1 is a HTML tag, and I'm completing with uh, uh, I'm completing with a slash like H1 and slash H1 that and using some text or some dummy text between them. It is a combinedly called is a HTML element.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
that was the major difference between them.
okay.
Yeah.
And what are the inline elements and block level elements? What is the difference between them?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, block element and inline element. Sir, first of all, I'm talking about block element. Block element is a uh, always start with a new line, new fresh line, and inline element start with the same line. And uh, the width of a block element is like uh, uh, parent, matlab, in like weight of block element is like its parent. It means if we are concluding a body, then and give some text in a division. So division take width of body, and
Full
body is
width.
its
It
parent.
takes
Yeah,
full
full
width.
width. It takes full width, and somehow inline is a take a width of its content only.
Yes.
Yeah, these are major difference. And
And
and one another difference is we are giving a margin from all the sides to block element, and inline elements we give only from two sides, left and
yes,
right.
yes.
Yeah.
Padding also.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Margin padding. Okay.
Margin padding.
And what are the examples?
Sir, inline example for inline element is a span,
Yes.
and block element like we using a section and paragraph also. We are using these are the block elements, and we are using a span or image. these are also these are the inline elements.
Okay. And what is CSS?
The CSS is a cascading style shape which used to design our HTML pages.
Yes. And what are the differences between HTML4 and HTML previous versions and HTML5?
Sir, basic difference is now in HTML5 we are like web browser is uh, somehow there is a elements or a section elements or tag which are easy to understand to the browser, uh, which is not in previous versions in HTML, and we using HTML5 for the greater performance or best performance uh, for the browser, and browser easily understand it, and some new elements using some new elements using in HTML5 like section, uh, behalf of division, and many more, sir. Just a little bit not
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So my next question is, so what are the differences between pseudo classes and pseudo elements?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we are concluding class in such tag, like I'm concluding tag in a paragraph, and we have to give some CSS. So we are using uh, dot that class name, and giving them some CSS. But in pseudo element, we are using that that tag name, this like
Tell me the examples of pseudo elements and pseudo classes. Which are the pseudo classes and which are the pseudo elements?
yes, sir. Sir, pseudo classes, so give me a second, sir. It was overlapping.
Okay.
So pseudo classes, these are like mm,
Tell me
we are
examples
using
only.
first. Yes, sir. First child. I'm just using first child, last child, first of type, nth child. If I used to uh, give CSS like even and odd, then we are using nth child in bracket 2n for even, and nth child to 2n plus 1 for odd. These are the pseudo classes element, pseudo classes example, and pseudo element we are using just mm, tag name, and give some style like to first word or first letter, sorry, first letter, first line. They are using a selection, and
After, before, and for
after
active
before.
focus.
Yes, sir.
Which are the pseudo elements and pseudo classes? After, before are pseudo elements or pseudo classes?
Sir, after before is a pseudo element.
And
If
for, active, and focus?
these are pseudo classes, sir.
Okay, this I wanted to know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, um, tell me the what is box model?
Sir, box model is overall contains with the content, padding, border, and margin. It is a overall box model.
Okay, this is not a perfect answer. Okay, let's move. What is float? Do you know float?
Yes, sir.
So tell
Sir,
me the definition of float and why we use it.
sir, I didn't know exact definition, but I'm expressing with some example.
Okay.
Like I'm just using some block elements and inline elements in my HTML page. So we are using a float left or right for and giving some width in same line. Like I'm using some block element and some span. Uh, the span which are always start inline element which are always start in same line, but block element is always start with a new line, no? So that's why I want to conclude it in a same line. Say I'm using a float with the left, so it was going to left side, and I'm
Align
using
left
float
side.
align left, yeah. And I'm using a float right, float colon right, so it was aligned to right side.
Right side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is clear? We use clear with float. Do you have any idea about clear?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So my next question is, what is SEO?
Sir, SEO is a search engine optimization, which is used by a browser. If we are using we are coding, and if it is a semantic coding, like we are using proper tags, proper elements for our coding, and using a proper CSS too. So uh, SEO, so it was improve our SEO to get in if I'm searching my website in Google. So if my site SEO is improved, and it was great, so it is look in the first page of Google if I'm searching
Yes.
it.
Yes. Okay. Can you define the structure of table? How we
uh,
write table in HTML?
yes, sir. Sir, first of all, we are using a table tag and table element. Table element, like we are
Yes.
starting with and end with it.
Yes. Yes.
Uh-huh. Uh, and we have to write inside that there is a table head and table body. If I'm looking for a table heading, so
Yes.
so I am using a table uh, some data like I'm using a tag th, and write some dummy text into it. And if I want to in three columns, so using a three th, and give some dummy text, and and there is a data, so I used to write in a table body. So I'm using with a td tag, and same with the three columns, we using a three td for it. Or and I want to use in a row, so we are using a tr, and uh, in the tag in the element of tr we are using a td.
Yes.
So
Uh,
if I want one row, then I'm using one element of tr. If
yes.
I want a three row, then I'm using a three element of tr, and inside it give some tds and dummy text too.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how many ways we can write CSS?
Sir, we are write css with the three types. First of is a I'm uh, talking with the precedence. That's the first is inline, another is a internal or embedded, and last one is a external.
Yes. And what is the descendant selector?
So descendant selector is a parent child selector, which are relational
Yes.
selector we are
Do
using.
yes. Do you have idea about direct child?
Yes, sir.
So how we use direct child?
Sir, we using if I'm giving uh, uh, some class or a id to that particular tag, they using that ID and a tag name.
Direct
And
child.
yes, sir.
Direct child. Which symbol we use for direct child?
Uh, yeah, direct. We are using a symbol between greater than symbol. Like
Yes.
if I am using ID name, just
Yes.
like a product, and it is product is greater than is equal to, I'm giving to it a paragraph, so greater than is equal to P, and
Yes.
that was my example.
Yes. So, why we use ID selector?
Sir, ID selector is like a unique, just like
Yes.
I'm having a ID, so it unique ID. So
Yes.
I want to give a CSS to only a special one or unique one. So I am
Yes.
using that ID and give CSS into it with a hashtag.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So, this is my last question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the differences between CSS and CSS3?
Uh, Sir, actually, I have no idea about it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So, by this, we'll come to end your interview.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much.